So, I wanted to share my experience with Purposeful Training and eLearning Consulting. I actually attended the Zoom workshop, and I did it because I really wanted to engage my participants using Zoom. As a consultant, I actually coach teachers online. And so I wanted to know, how do I engage them using Zoom? And one of the things that Professor Williams from the consulting agency of Purposeful Training, she taught me, all of us actually, how to engage with the different tools on Zoom. So one of the ones that I particularly enjoy is the polls. So I use polls, and my participants just loved using polls because I was able to ask a question and give them some options, and they were able to respond and see the results at the end. So I just want to thank you so much. Thank you for your patience, because I know with training you got to be very patient with your participants, and so Professor Williams was definitely patient with us. She allowed us to ask questions so that we could be our best to our clients and our participants when we use Zoom. So thank you so much.